Fancy. So our floating shelves we did a couple months ago, we're throwing in supports right in there. These are all made a little bit long and they are structural, so I have to get the right depth for them to get recessed into the shelves. Just dropping in like that. So to start, did a 2-inch hole saw, cleaned up all the edges, added an extra piece of plywood. That way I can get my depth right. I'm only going to take off between like 3/16 and an 1/8, so I just need a little thickness there. We got a flush trim bit on my router, so I want a 1-inch step back on my bottom shelf, and then the top's going to land what's going to land. These shelves step out from each other as they go up. So, got it clamped in place. I use a little square, give myself 1 inch there, 1 inch there, and then, all right, so, yeah, 16 and 1. And, oops, sorry guys. 16 and 5. So I need to take 1/4 inch off. So set my router to 1/8 on either side. And then set jig and run. Beautiful. So we can't clamp this one down, so I forget where I learned this trick, but got my crosshairs again and used my pencil to mark out the backside where this board's gonna sit. And so then you take some 2P10. Go back on our lines. Drop this in. Just for a double check. We'll line it up good there. And then spray some activator in there. She is. A little rag with some mineral spirits. Pull out the extra glue. Alrighty, we got them installed. Once we got the jig figured out, they went pretty smooth. Little gap on some of them. Probably just go in with some wax and fill it in. It don't look too bad. Here, get all the lights on. Fancy.